Have you ever felt that deep, unexplainable connection to someone far away, or experienced a moment of peace after a simple thought or prayer for someone's well being? What if I told you that this feeling could be the beginning of something even more powerful? Distant healing. It's the idea that healing energy can travel across any distance, reaching people in need no matter where they are. In a world where physical touch often defines healing, distant healing challenges conventional boundaries by asserting that healing energy transcends space and time. While this might seem a bit far-fetched, it's rooted in the belief that we are all interconnected and that our thoughts, emotions, and energy are tied together in ways we are just beginning to understand. But how does it work? And can it really have an impact? Despite its growing popularity, distant healing faces a lot of skepticism. Critics often argue that it might merely be the placebo effect at work, where believing in the healing process leads to a perceived improvements. Others dismiss it as mysticism, claiming it lies beyond the reach of scientific validation. The real challenge is that, compared to regular medical treatments, distant healing lacks measurable, concrete evidence. Some people find it difficult to accept distant healing as a legitimate practice because the energy sent is intangible and invisible. The lack of physical proof is a major hurdle for distant healing. However, we understand that both our bodies and minds are made up of energy, which can shift based on things like thoughts, emotions, and the energy of those around us. Distant healing taps into this idea through practices like Reiki and meditation, which practitioners have found to help with stress, pain, and emotional well-being. Practitioners of Reiki often report a deep sense of calm, and even chronic pain can lessen over time. Similarly, meditation allows the mind to focus, channeling positive intentions and energy to others, even from afar. In today's world, where stress and anxiety are common, the power of distant healing can be especially valuable. Sending loving energy can break through physical distance barriers and support those in need, whether it's helping someone battling illness or someone facing emotional struggles. Distant healing can bring a sense of peace and well-being that goes beyond what we can see or touch. Other forms of energy healing, such as Qigong and acupuncture, have been practiced for centuries. These techniques work by balancing qi or life energy in the body, promoting harmony. When combined with distant healing, they offer both physical and emotional benefits, helping people find stability and well-being in their lives, no matter the distance between them and the healer. One particularly moving story is that of Sarah, who was diagnosed with a serious illness and given little hope by her doctors. Despite the bleak prognosis, she turned to distant healing, working with a healer who used Reiki and meditation. Gradually, she began to feel a shift in her energy, and to her doctor's astonishment, her condition started improving, eventually going into remission. While Sarah's story is a powerful testament to how distant healing can work, even in the toughest situations, it's crucial to understand that such anecdotal evidence is not a substitute for scientific research. Another remarkable example is John, who struggled with chronic anxiety and depression. After receiving distant healing, he found a sense of peace he had never known before. His mental health improved and he felt more grounded and at ease. Stories like these show that distant healing can change lives, though more research is needed to understand its full effects. These experiences highlight how much distant healing can influence a person's emotional and physical well-being. Whether it's overcoming illness, finding peace in times of stress, or simply feeling more connected to the world, distant healing provides a meaningful way to improve our lives. Distant healing involves creating a deep emotional connection and supporting others from afar while promoting physical health. Whether through Reiki, meditation, or other energy-based practices, they can help you feel more balanced and in tune with yourself and others. The power of energy transcends boundaries, and the stories of those who have experienced its healing effects are proof that this practice is worth exploring. It's a reminder that we are never truly alone, and that healing can come from unexpected places. Have you tried distant healing? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might find this helpful. Let's spread the healing. Thanks for watching and I'll see you the next time.